For 28 years, the internet operated on a simple contract. You typed a question, and a search engine handed you a list of 10 blue links. That contract is over. Google overhauled its core product, intentionally dismantling a $280 billion web economy in the process. Since the 1990s, the search engine was designed as a neutral directory. It didn't host the information. It pointed you to the independent creators and businesses who did. This created a vital exchange. Independent publishers spent years creating articles, guides, and reviews. In return, the search engine sent them traffic, which they used to pay their staff. Severing that link is a financial catastrophe for the open web. The visual interface reveals the change. We have moved from a list of external destinations to monolithic, synthesized AI text blocks, what Google calls AI mode or AI overviews. For the consumer, the convenience is seductive. A user asks a complex question and receives a frictionless answer in seconds without ever leaving the search engine. This chart tracks the rise of the zero-click search. This occurs when a user gets their answer directly on the results page and leaves without visiting another website. In 2026, that rate officially crossed the 69% threshold. If consumers no longer click external links, the millions of journalists and creators who supplied the original information are cut out of the economy. This bar chart compares traditional click-through rates against the new reality. Click-through rate, or CTR, is the percentage of users who click a link after seeing it in the search results. According to SEER Interactive and Ahrefs, organic CTR drops by up to 65% the moment an AI overview appears. The collateral damage in the tech sector is extreme. Analysis from early 2026 shows that major tech outlets have lost nearly all their search traffic. Digital Trends, for example, saw a 97% decline in clicks from Google. Other sectors face similar casualties. The education platform Chegg reported a 49% loss in non-subscriber traffic following the rollout. The AI intercepts the user's journey at the moment of highest intent, right when a person is looking for a specific answer and is most likely to click a link. The synthetic text provides the summary, stopping the transition to an external site. This traffic collapse is not an error or a bug. It is a deliberate structural feature of a generative search architecture designed to be a destination, not a directory. Because of this interception, mass-producing informational content on the open web is no longer a viable business model. Why would a company intentionally destroy the foundational mechanics of the economy it built? It comes down to the nature of the model. Google uses large language models, or LLMs, which are AI systems trained to synthesize text from the web. The system scrapes millions of creator-owned pages to build its answers for free. This wireframe shows how Google monetizes that synthesized text. Data from SEMrush reveals that 25% of all AI overviews now feature built-in ads. Google successfully enclosed the open internet. It scrapes creator content to answer questions, keeps the user trapped on its own page, and serves its own ads in the space where organic links used to be. 2 billion users are now interacting with an interface that offers instant answers. For Google, it is a triumph of engagement. For the creator economy, it is a total disruption. Traditional search engine optimization, the practice of tweaking a website to rank highly in a list of links, is dying. Ranking number 1 no longer guarantees you will get a single visitor. Survival now requires GEO, or Generative Engine Optimization. This is the strategy of formatting content so AI models are forced to select it as an embedded citation within the answer itself. To earn that citation, creators must focus on ground truth. This means providing verifiable data, unique human experiences, and deep expertise that an AI model cannot easily summarize or replicate without a direct reference. While raw traffic volume is lower, the users who do click an AI citation are more valuable. They have already processed the summary and are clicking because they need the specific, high-intent expertise only a human can provide. The web has moved from a sprawling network of independent sites to a centralized, single-pane AI interface. Google has moved beyond simple algorithm updates. It has effectively consumed the informational internet, replacing a decentralized web with a proprietary intelligence layer.